Welcome to JH. The Osmo Pro vacuum cleaner claims to deliver professional-grade cleaning with suction so powerful it might just inhale your carpets along with the dust. It promises to keep every corner of your home spotless while remaining whisper-quiet and making chores feel effortless. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But before you start imagining a life of leisure, many people are asking if this vacuum is actually legit. Let's break it down. The brand relies heavily on flashy buzzwords like #1 rated and cleaning made simple, because apparently, we've all been struggling with the complex physics of a broom for years. While slogans like "goodbye heavy lifting" sound impressive, they don't actually prove the machine works. It's hard to tell if the product lives up to these bold claims or if they just have a very imaginative marketing department. Then we have the badges: Best Health, Green Health, and even Wealth. Because nothing says financial prosperity like a vacuum cleaner, right? There's absolutely no proof these badges are real or verified, making them about as credible as a plastic gold medal from a cereal box. And don't get your hopes up for customer support. Their live chat usually just responds with a thank you message, which is about as helpful as a waterproof sponge. To make matters worse, identical vacuum cleaners are available on other websites for much less money. It seems you aren't paying for pro features, but rather for the privilege of seeing their ads. They even showcase Trustpilot reviews to build credibility, but a quick check reveals no actual positive feedback related to the Osmo Pro itself. It's almost as if they hope you'll just take their word for it without looking. So, is the Osmo Pro vacuum cleaner legit? With the sketchy badges, unresponsive support, and phantom reviews, it's a tough sell. If you're thinking about buying one, you might want to take a step back and do some actual research before your money disappears faster than the dust. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates that actually tell the truth.